Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the commercial building that's being built on Holborn Road. So that's the building there. It's going to be, let's see, I think it's 6 floors. Haining Road, yeah, it's going to be 6 floors. And they've actually reached 6 floors because if you notice there's no steel sticking out of the top. So, as you know, we give you updates on all these major construction projects every 2 weeks, and all the construction projects we speak about every month. So this is an update video to show you how far they have reached. And this is just one of many commercial buildings going up. We are on Haining Road, which is in New Kingston. And literally across the road from it is another building which is 9 floors, which is one Belmont. And then we're going to drive down now. You're going to see a zinc fence on the left, which I'm not sure what's going up there, but it's another, and it's a large area that's fenced off. So we'll keep you guys updated. There you can see the zinc fence on the left as to what's going on over there. This is Haining Road. I'm going to show you a picture of what the building is going to look like when it's finished. Okay, there, just open that gate, and wow, the zinc fence that we saw there just opened the gates, and it's actually a bigger property than the one that's over here. So somebody had mentioned something about building a printwear building, but we'll check it out and let you know what's going on over there. So this is what this building is going to look like, the one on Haining Road, when it's finished. Commercial units for sale. Afternoon. You know what that building over there?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Not us yet.
Oh.
Supposed to be a park.
Okay. Alright, cool. Alright, now coming further down on the left, you can see one Belmont, which is another building. So the zinc fence that we saw is actually going to be apartments. And it's like they're going to do it the old-fashioned way, where they lay out the apartments, probably go up 2 floors. It's not going to be a high-rise building. Well, the guy that I asked, that's what he said. So somebody had asked about the printwear building now. Okay, it's actually though. This is where we thought it was going to be, because they have this here, the Walker Hall Tower, printwear online, but I'm not sure where they're building this building. They have the sign here, so maybe I had assumed that it was going to be on this road, but okay. Moving right along. So this is one Belmont. Okay, we seem to be holding up traffic. You actually access this building from Belmont Road, but we were just doing the video on the building on Haining Road, so we're just showing it to you. Alright, we have other videos up of that building, so we're going to go back and show you the Haining Road building from another angle. Alright, so this is actually what this video is on. We're giving you an update on the Haining Road building, which is the one there on the left. But so much activity is going on, reconstruction, that we were just showing you what else is in the neighborhood. So this is the commercial building on Haining Road. So that's, there you go, 6 floors. And as we said, we'll give you updates on all the major construction projects every 2 weeks, and all the construction projects that we speak about at least once a month. We actually have drone videos up of this building, so you can check it out.